Kaizer Chiefs taking the 3 points. Butwam ubone njani umdlalo?
But I mean, ngithanda ukubonga kakhulu like kubalandeli abakhona emakhosini yakho lento like it's a casino. It's not about a cup, trophy or winning something. Amakhosi mina ngiqala ukusephetha ikhosi like since I was born. Since my name was Shane, my surname was Khumalo, like since 1980 something I was there. My surname was there. Like I started Kaizer Chiefs. What if I know about Kaizer Chiefs 1990? But I can't say that I was watching at the tavern because like it's the underage guys watching. But guys, Kaizer Chiefs, wherever you go, wherever you are, Kaizer Chiefs the best team in the world. We're not playing for Sundowns. We're not playing for Pirates. We're placing our own race. We're gonna win this league. Brother, I'm telling you, this league is for Kaizer Chiefs. Sundowns, whatever. We're not playing for you guys. Yes, Sundowns. Thank you very much. We're not playing for you. We're gonna win this league. Thanks very much. Guys, I love you. I love Kaizer Chiefs. My blood, do you have a knife or gun to press here? To see my blood? My blood is red. Thank you very much.
How do you see Kaizer Chiefs against Magesi midweek?
Magesi, you know Magesi, like, since Kaizer Chiefs, like, same as Arsenal, we try to keep the teams in the league. But for Magesi United, because they're from Limpopo, I'm not from Limpopo, we're going to beat Magesi. Everyone, do you have a pen and a paper? 4-0. Kaizer Chiefs has Magesi. It's 4-0 the score. Today, like, I'm from Mpumalanga and Nelspruit.
Okay.
I know, like, Kaizer Chiefs is my blood and butter. I love Kaizer Chiefs in all my heart. Kaizer Chiefs is going to win, like, today. But for TS Galaxy, I love them. But for Magesi, we're going to... I don't want to say draw. But I'm saying 1-0 at least, instead of draw.
Who will score in that match?
Obvious. The same black guy. Mandela, like, played the role for black people. He fought for black people. Silva is the black person in South Africa. Not those what do you call it? Yellow bones of South Africans. We've got the guy who represents South Africa. Silva is going to score 2 goals against Magesi. Thanks very much, boss. I love you as well.
Thanks so much.
I like you. Sharp.